So over here you can see that I have a video footage right here, and let's say what I want is I want some candid moments of this particular photo. And in that case you can utilize an effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to do that you need to go around over here under various tools to edit right here. That is, you need to go around onto the edit section, and then over here you can see that candid moments is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that this is what you have right here. And you can go around and drag in the timeline right here and hit the snapshot button right here, just like this, to grab the candid moments, just like this. Or you can go around and then go to more moments right here, just like this, and then also use the auto extract right here. And what happens is that it takes on the candid moments automatically right here, just like this. Or let me just go around onto more right here, just like this, and there's more candid moments right here, just like this. So over here you can also export this out as photos to desktop or create a slideshow out of it, but I'm going to go around onto export to timeline right here. And once I do that, what happens is that it saves out the candid moments right here, and then this is what you have. So it's 5 seconds. You can see that this is what you have. So if I were to press the play button, you can see that this is the candid moments. So the one in the beginning right here is the video footage itself right here. So this is the video footage, and after that you got these photos right here. As you can see, as I move this out, you can see that these are the photos taken out of that particular video footage right here, just like this. And that is how you can utilize the candid moments effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.